Okay, Warrior family, so here is your how-to for Giving Tuesday, which, as a reminder, is December the 2nd. We're looking for a minimum donation of $20.25. So this will talk to you about how you can give, but you can also share this with friends, relatives, partners that you have, and even businesses that may share a similar mission that we have. So the first is an online donation. I'll get to that in just a minute. But if you want to, you can still send in a check. Just make sure you put ACS Bus Fund in the memo line, because remember, all donations will go to the ACS Bus Fund. If you wish to do a cash donation, we'll certainly take that. But if you're interested in receiving the tax benefit at the end of the year, you need to include your information so that we can get that appropriately to you. So let's talk about that online donation. Simply go to our website, alamantzchristianschool.org. You'll scroll down in the center of the home page and you'll see the donate button. When you click that, it will take you to this generic donation page. Now all you have to do is slide down on the right hand side and you will see this information about where would you like the donation to go. You'll click that drop down arrow and you'll scroll down to where it says ACS Bus Fund. That's it. You can change this entry of $75 to $20.25, and if you're interested and you want to donate to another cause at the same time, you simply click add another donation and it will take you there. Now in the description here of this YouTube video, I have a link that will take you directly to the ACS Bus Fund donation page. And this is live and it is accurate. The Lord has blessed us through 2 donations so that we almost have $14,000 already there. Now if you want to go ahead and give that donation, you can also do that by simply scanning this QR code. But again, just as a reminder, thank you so much for your commitment to Christian education. Thank you so much for supporting our purpose of establishing a biblical worldview in all of the content areas, because ultimately the investment that we pour into those students doesn't just pay dividends now, it's a future down the road as well. So thank you for your commitment to help and share this widely with others. December the 2nd, those minimum donations of $20.25.